We are at 10154 Coffee Berry. We're in Las Vegas. This property has 3 bedrooms and 3 baths.
In addition, this house has a loft. It also has upgraded cabinets and countertops throughout the house, in the kitchen and the bathrooms.
This property has a large enough backyard for a pool or even a trampoline. So I can't wait to show you guys, so let's jump right on in. This property is in Silverado Ranch in Las Vegas. It's a great location. I love this location because it's right off of St. Rose. There's a ton of restaurants there. There's Costco and there's the casino.
That's right, and this home is located in an HOA with a low HOA of $18.
Let's go ahead and recap. This property has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a loft, and a large backyard. So if you want to know anything about this property or anything else, you can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.